Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Adam Draws Stuff. I am Adam and I draw stuff. And today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Pikachu. This one is going to be super quick and very easy. So let's just hop right into it. Okay, so to get Pikachu started, we're going to draw a circle for his head. And I'm starting off all my lines pretty messy. Right underneath that circle, I'm going to draw another larger oval for his body. And at the bottom of this oval, I'm going to make it a little bit wider to accommodate for his thighs and his legs. And at the bottom of the head, where the head meets the body, I'm also going to make it a little bit wider to kind of form Pikachu's cheeks and just extend that out a little bit and flatten up the top of his head just a little. And we're going to give him two nice circular eyes in the center of his head with a little tiny nose, and right under his nose a W shape for his mouth with a V shape under that for the bottom of his mouth, and two little circles on each cheek for his little electric patches. And on the top of the head, we're going to go ahead and add two really long, sort of bunny-shaped ears with a line at the end of each of the ears, which is going to be black when we add some color. And I kind of made his body a little bit too big, so I'm going in and shortening up that a little bit. And this is where having the messy lines comes in, because I'm really not worried about erasing these lines, because they're not set in stone yet. They're just kind of messy, sketchy lines, and that's how I like to start off on my drawings. And now I'm going to add a little oval for each of his feet, for each of Pikachu's feet, and a few lines in each one to form the toes. And where his head connects to his body, we're going to add two small ovals for his arms, and then of course his trademark lightning bolt shaped tail that gets bigger as it goes out the further it extends from his body. And in this pose, since he's kind of jumping, since he's in sort of a jumping pose, I am extending his tail out and down away from his body to kind of follow the flow of him jumping outward. And then now what I'm going to do, since my lines were so messy, I'm going to go in and clean up my lines a little bit. And whether you're using pencil or you're using pen or whatever, however you're sketching this out, it usually helps to draw this way, even though you don't necessarily have to. I always go in with really messy lines in the beginning, and then I clean them up afterward. So for this, I'm using a tablet. It's a digital sketch, so I can go in and just add another layer, and I can go right over top of my original messy sketch and clean up the lines a little bit, which is what I'm doing here now. But if you're drawing with pencil, a great thing to do is you can either trace over your original sketch and you can just clean up the lines that way. Or another thing that I really like to do is to go over the original pencil lines with a pen, with like a fine line marker or just any kind of pen would do. And then you can erase your mark. But of course, if you take a little bit more time than I do, you don't necessarily have to do the messy sketch in the beginning and then go back over it again a second time. But like I said, it's just the way that I kind of do things, and it might not necessarily be the way that you like to draw, and that's okay too. So now that I've got the lines cleaned up and in a pretty good place, at least where I want them to be, I'm going to go in and add some color to Pikachu. And of course, as basically everybody knows, he is mostly yellow. So I'm going to go in with a really bright shade of yellow, and I'm just using kind of an airbrush sort of effect, just a quick little thing to throw in a bunch of color. I'm not trying to make it too nice, and I'm not focusing too much on lighting and shadows. I just want to give him some color to give him a little bit of life. So I'm going to go in with my little airbrush tool on my tablet and make him mostly yellow, and then of course darken up his eyes and give him his little black tips to each of his ears and the red patches to his cheeks. Add some color into his mouth, of course. And don't forget that he has a little dark patch at the base of his tail where his tail meets his body. And that's basically it. I'm going to add a little yellow background and throw in some stars just for fun. and just to kind of break up all the yellow, break up the monotony of one single color. And I'm also going to add a little bit of shading behind his body just to further separate Pikachu out from the rest of the background and make it look a little bit cleaner. And there you have it. There is how to draw Pikachu, or at least how I draw Pikachu. Pretty quick, pretty simple, and it might not look totally right in the beginning or perfect or the way that you want it to, but with a little practice and definitely maybe studying some pictures of him just to get an idea of what he looks like in some different poses, you'll have it down in no time flat. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, of course, as always, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I hope to see you in the next one.